Hello, Namaskar. This is Sam Sarin, and you are watching Red Eyes Films, a YouTube channel which gives complete solution for health issues and troubles and entertaining. After a long time, I came back to this channel due to some family troubles and lack of times. I could not manage myself to uh, give you some informations videos. I stopped to making videos. Friends, today we are going to discuss about a Ayurvedic medicine called Sothari Loha, and this medicine is from Baidyanath, and it is available in different or several companies producing these medicines. And but I prefer Baidyanath or Dabar, and this is the medicine Sothari Loha from Baidyanath. Friends, now let's first know what is its name, what its name means. Its name is Sothari Loho. What do you mean by Sothari and what do you mean by Loho? Friends, in Indian language, this is derived from the word Sotho. Sotha, Sotho, Sotha, Sotho. Or Sotho means inflamed or swelled type of body, swelling, acids, oedemas. These swelling activities of bodies in different part in Ayurveda language, that is called Sotha. And Hari means which reduces the acids or swellings or edemas or inflammation. That agent which reduces the inflammation or swelling or edema, that is called harak. That means Sothari means it is the medicine which reduces the Sotho. Sotho means swelling. And in this medicine, Loho is extra agent. Loho means iron, powder of iron, or Loha Bhasm, clocks of iron has been added here. So this is the Sothari Loho, means the medicine which reduces swelling or acids, edema, and as well as it provides a patient some irons to improve blood count or RBC. So this is Sothari Loho. Friends, let's first discuss about the some basic ingredients of this Sothari Loho. And among all ingredients, I am going to discuss about one of the main composition or element or ingredient, that is called black pepper. That means Kali Mirch. Friends, black pepper called Kali Mirch reduces swelling caused by any infection or injury. Also reduces free radicals activities and improves the digestion system, and it corrects the food absorption in the intestine. Next basic ingredient is pipadi, that is called long pepper, and long pepper also reduces swelling caused by any injury or accident or any infections. Pipali also reduces the oxidative stress, also improves our digestion when taken orally, and protects liver from damage by any infection or any injury. Pipali improves our immunity system, and it also improves immunoresponse of our body. Pipali also kills microbes and bacteria and inhibits their multiplication or their square manner production. Pipali also reduces lipid concentration in blood, which is helpful for controlling cholesterol. Next ingredient is Lauha Bhasma or iron clocks. Iron clocks stimulates the production of hemoglobin in human blood. Lauha Bhasma or iron clocks also suppress the production of bacteria, microbes in the human body, and it naturally kills and inhibits their multiple production, or it naturally inhibits the multiplication of the bacteria or microbes. Next ingredient is barley. Barley manages the excess blood sugar levels in human blood. Barley also reduces the oxidative stress by scavenging free radicals. Barley reduces the concentration of blood glucose in human blood, which is beneficial to controlling blood sugar in diabetes. Barley is Barley is also an agent which controls the excess blood pressure in human body. Barley also barley also reduces the lipid concentration in human blood. As the result, blood cholesterol can be controlled, and which is beneficial for heart diseases. These are all about the basic ingredients of Sothari Loho. Now let's discuss its uses. Sothari Loho is an Ayurvedic medicine which is used to treat swelling or inflammation in the body, and it is also used to treat jaundice, anemia, as well as body inflammation. Its secondary uses or off-label uses are it is used in anemia or in jaundice. I have already discussed. It is also used in indigestion, respiratory problem, as well as inflammatory disease. Sothari Loho can be used in arthritic, rheumatism medicines. It can also be used in diabetes with related medicines. Sothari Loho should be administered orally, and its general dosage is 2 tablets as single dosage twice a day, and the dosage can be changed according to severity of the patient or according to the body weight or by monitoring blood glucose in the human body. So finally I am showing you, these are the set packet of, there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 numbers of Sothari Loho, and this is one. So I think this information about this Sothari Loho would be beneficial for our practitioner as well as patients, and this medicine should be taken according to the strictly medical supervision. Self medication with this medicine may be dangerous to the individuals. So this is all about Sothari Loho. Next time I shall come with another medicine. Till then, goodbye.